I won 10 grand. Oh my god, yay, I'm so proud of you. Thanks, babe. Where are we gonna go first? I was actually gonna put this money towards school. Why? You know I wanted to go to Hawaii. I know, but I can't just afford to spend money like that right now. But you said we were gonna try to go soon. I said try. That doesn't guarantee it. But this 10 grand could cover the whole trip. I know, and again, I want to use it for school. That's more important than a dumb Hawaii trip. You are so selfish, Nate. You never do anything nice for me. Never do anything nice for you? I spend so much money on you. I do so much to make you happy and that isn't enough? No, I want to go to Hawaii. You can go by yourself then. With what money? I don't know, maybe get a job? I don't want to work. I want to be a stay-at-home mom. And what makes you entitled to that? I know a lot of hardworking women who earn their vacations and use their money in a smart way so they can afford it. Why don't you do that? I am being smart. I'm using it for school. Just take a loan out and take me to Hawaii. Why would I do that when I have the money on hand now to cover the rest of the year's tuition? Because you love me, don't you? I used to, not anymore. What? Why? Sorry, I don't